Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, let me show you the error first. If I want to enable this setting, Windows Update, I need to right click on it and go to its properties. As you can see, access is denied and I'm not able to start the service here, as you can see here. So if you are facing the same issue, as you can see, not able to run it, and even I cannot start the service here. Okay, so let me close this, and the step number one is you need to open the services as administrator. Right away run as administrator. I'm the administrator of this laptop, but error is showing up, access is denied. Now see if it is working or not. Let me try here now. Still it is not working. So now if it is still not working, so you need to open the registry and run the registry admin, and basically we need to go to this folder guys. Let me show it step by step. First you need to double click on H key local machine, then you need to double click on the software, not software, you need to double click on system, and then you need to double click on current control set, this one. Then you need to double click on services, and inside the services you need to look for W series, press W and S. So I'm not able to see its service name, but if you double click on it like so, Windows Update 1, so this is the service name. So starting letter should be WS. So let's go in a WS series. This one WU. As you can see here, it is showing the access is denied. So what you need to do is you need to right click on it and go to permission. Okay, and make sure you have the full permission of this folder. Let's say click on advanced. Okay, and we need to click on this option, enable inheritance. In my case it is showing disabled, but in your case you need to change it to enable. Once you see the enable option, you should be able to see your username here. Even we can change the ownership of this. Now it's changed. Let me try here, apply OK, and let's add the user now. Dell is the username. Let's give the full permission to the Dell user, apply and OK. Now once you click on apply on OK, as you can see here, it seems it has restored. Let me see whether I'm able to fix the issue or not. I need to reopen it, services, let's have window update now. And see guys, I'm able to also start the service. I'm able, okay, it is still saying up, but still I'm able to manage the service. Okay, access is denied here, so you can even restart your system after that. If it is not working, the automatic apply, start. Okay, click on the automatic and it will automatically start once you have restarted your system without click on here start option. If you have still issue, let's again go to this page, permissions, and look for your username. It has full permission. Also administrator has full permissions. So let me restart my system and then I will show if the issue is resolved or not. I have restarted the system and let me open the services now as admin. W, and you can see guys, service is still not running. So guys, still issue have guys. So in that case you have to back up the registry, but if you don't haven't back up the registry in your Windows, you have to restore your system. Type for restore and click on create restore. Click on restore, select next, select the date here, latest, when the system was working fine without any error. Click on next, click on finish and click on restart. It will take 30 to 40 minutes, and once you have restored your system, all the setting and other things will be done as it is and your issue will be fixed. So let me try here with the another fix, that is the registry backup. Click on computer, click on import, and I have the registry backup here. Open, and let's see if this able to fix the issue or not. Otherwise we will go for restore the system, and even if the restore is also unable to fix your issue, you have to reset your PC or even you have to reinstall the fresh window. Okay, so it is still saying that guys, error, issue is not fixed guys, my issue is still not resolved. I hope your issue is resolved. I have to restore my system to the previous working days, so this will take a while. So if nothing works for you guys, you can go ahead and reset your PC. So this is how guys you can fix the issue. So I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.